merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round.
We got to go back up the fire road.
Way up the fire road.
You can get there however you want, but Chad and I feel the fire road is the best. All right, I'm ready. Go. Good luck, Chad. Whoa. Brakes are working. All right, stage 2. This is the West Loop. West Loop is the best loop. Is that how it goes? I don't know. This is a fun one though. This is gonna go through, I think, quite a few sections and then end by the bluff line. And I do not trust my brakes right now. I will be getting those things bled and new pads. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh man. This has been washed out a little. Woo! Yeah. Tell you what, one thing I've been super excited about is I have met quite a few people that watch the channel. And how's it going? Whoa, I'm taking the tight line. Woo! I made it! But anyways, I have met quite a few people that are watching my channel. And if you're watching this and you're one of them, man, that was awesome meeting everybody. Oh, slippery. Slippery, slippery. It's cool to see people tell me that the reason why they started biking out here at Two Rivers was because of one of my videos. So awesome. Super encouraging to know that that is a positive influence in people's lives. So thank you for sharing that story with me. It's awesome. Okay, I gotta go talking. Oh man, bad line. Gotta focus. Oh yeah, got it. All right, final stretch. Let's cruise. Woo. Woo! Man, stage 2 was awesome. Make sure that you subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss the next 2 stages. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this stage versus stage 1. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.